Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer to an agent. So you must be wondering, or if you have seen in the part 5, right? I have transferred the call to an agent directly, and you must be wondering, is that directly supported, right? So what I will do or explain, right, over here, since there is a use case we have for transfer to agent, right? I will show the configuration that we have to do in to enable a particular agent, right? So let's move it over here and keep it here. Okay. And over here, once user say, let's say, talk to an agent, right? Directly. So we will transfer to an agent, right? So we will say something like, sure, let me connect you with an agent, right? And that's it. What we will do is we will transfer to queue, right? So over here, if you see, I have already done for one of the previous videos, set working queue as over here. So I will just transfer over here. And what it will do is it will transfer to the basic queue. So let me just publish and show you the other details that we required, right? So first of all, we have to create the queues, right? And let's create something called add queue, which is general queue. Description we don't require, and basic hours operation we will take. Okay. Do we want to include the outbound phone number or on those thing whisper prompt? We don't want anything. Quick connects. Is there any quick connects we have enabled? I will explain about the quick connects maybe later. Set limit. I don't want to set anything. So this is the name that we have created, which is a general. Okay. Now what I have to do is what you will do is routing profile. Okay. So in the routing profile, you can see that one is the basic COVID routing profile, right? So same we will add for general routing profile. Okay. So what we are doing is basically we are telling if the call comes to this route, general, right? General queue, what to do, right? Does the agent handle the voice, chat, task, right? And how many at a time? So let's say we can say two chat at a time, right? And is the cross channel allowed? I will say no. Cross channel we will not allowed. And what is the queue name? We have general, right? So this routing profile or these rules that we are adding allowed for what? For this general channel and allowed for all voice and task and this thing. Do we want outbound? I don't want to do anything out for outbound. Click save. Give description as that. Oh, it does require outbound. Okay. So what it means is once the call comes through the inbound, once user agent dials the outbound, which queue it takes, right? So that is what it was saying. So I think what happened? Why general? I didn't saw. Sorry. I can't see. Just a second. Okay, now we can see. Uh, Number of agents staffed. Where is that coming from? No, nothing over here. Okay, so now we'll go to the admin. So that is user management. Where is user management? Okay, so right now we don't have any agents created, right? So this is the one agent who is me, and I have what routing profile is this one. So I can change that one to general routing profile, right? And so what we are saying is this user can receive the call for which of the routing profile. And what is my profile? I will be admin over here, and after call timeout, show advanced setting. Do we want to do anything else? No. Okay. So now I am saved Now security profiles. So if I go to security profiles over here, so you will see that we have many security profiles created already. Since I'm using the default login as admin, I will go over here and I will see that what are the routing profiles available, right? So routing profiles, what we can do is quick and this thing. Where is that we add? I have to just see. Old age problem. I forgot where we add customer profile historical changes. I think it's default have all CCPS user permission number of flows. Okay, nothing we have to do. So I think it should receive the call now. So I have already logged in, I think, right? This is me as logged in. I will go back to the bot and is it published? I think it is published. So let's go. Click over here. I will say help. Now it should get the contact us, right? So once I click over here, contact us here, let me connect you with an agent. I will go to my agent window. Now it is coming to over here. Accept chat. I can talk to each other. Wait, did I change the contact flow to use? Oh no, it's still using basic routing profile. Let's make it general so that we can see that the call comes to the general queue. Publish again. Let's close and again start the chat. I will just okay, it is available. I'm not sure if I have to log in and log out again. Close. Let's say help and contact us. Meanwhile, I will do a login. Since there is no logged in present in the system, we don't see any next message. Let me, I am getting available and not sure if I have to log out and then log in. Uh, just a second. Right, I think I have to log in as a agent, right? So let me just copy this URL and make it offline and close and let's go to incognito mode and let's give my credential. Do I have anything? No. Okay, test and this will be T T I. So once it log in, will it receive the call? Allow and once I make it available. Oh, okay. So now it received the chat. So the chat which was going on, now it came over here. Okay, so I accept and this should be, yep, that is the message which it came. Okay, so now I know that why. So once we are logged in with this admin one, right? We don't have the user. So I am the admin. Once I click over here, we don't logged in as a my name. It logged in as a some different name, something with the admin, right? With admin rights and does not have that routing profile. So hence we were not receiving the call. Now we are receiving the call. So yeah, this is how we add how much minute we have recorded this video. Okay, it's only 9 minutes. So let's do another task on this one. Let's display the or let's complete this management, right? So what we'll do is we'll go back to our flow over here. This is our lovely flow, which is now looking very bad. Can I do little bit small? Okay, now I can see things pretty much better. So I can configure and design it much better. What is this disconnect? Why we have to? Okay, so let's put it over there. This is a common message that we are displaying, right? And over here. Okay, now I will zoom in to see what to do. Okay, so now what we will do is we will transfer to manage booking. Okay, so let's create another flow. Flows, create flow, and let's give it read the manual, manage booking. It should be capital M, and we will just disconnect so that we can publish the flow as we did the last time. Click publish and click publish two times so that we get the message. And over here, what we will do is instead of manage booking, we will transfer the call to that flow. So flow, transfer to flow. Similarly, what we did for uh, the create flight booking. Okay, so this is done. Now the whole call flow will come over here. Okay. Now what we are doing over here? So over here, once you just say manage booking, we will first collect the email. So email already have. Let me quickly. What happened? Oh, I have not selected the flow name. RTM manage booking. Publish. Come on, publish. Still none. Why? I just selected, right? RTM manage booking. Click save. Publish. Okay, not sure what was the problem. But anyway, so what we will do is since we already have the email one, uh, it was RTM booking, right? Flight booking. So I will not use any of my brain cell. Just go and copy the email. Where is the email first of all? Is this the email? Thank you. Yeah, this is the email. So I will minimize and select. Control C, Control C, Control C, and over here Control V. We'll put it over here somewhere, safe place, and we will disconnect this one. Now we will play, and it will go over here. Now, once we have collected the what we have collected, we have collected the email, right? We also have this one, right? This thing. Control C, come over here and paste. Okay, nicely placed. Okay, so now once we have done that, we have collected the email address. Now what we will do, we will collect the PNR, paste it over here, and okay, so please provide your email address. Click save, click over here, click go, and we will ask for please. Thank you. Okay, now please provide your PNR number. Okay, now we already know that PNR are mostly alphanumeric, right? And what I will do is I will create something called create intent ask PNR, right? And I will name it like it's it's AK49HU, right? And I will name it alphanumeric, right? And the name will be PNR. You can give another name YU 78HJ. Okay, so this will be also a PNR. So we understand this is a PNR, and I will just copy and do a build. And now come over here, ask a PNR and the retim. Okay, so we got the PNR and name is, sorry, PNR, and that is also the slot of the PNR that we have given. This is what we have given, right? PNR, yeah. Now since we got these two, now what we want to do is don't want to display the result directly, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't want to display the result. We want to display a message. So there's a change. Okay, we will redirect it to over here. So once user say something like else if already have ask PNR, right? What we will do is we will display uh, something like this. I'm doing right? Yeah. Okay. So in this, we will say that thank you for sharing the details. We will say what you like to do, what you will, what you will like to do. Okay, something like this, and I will say, okay, uh, edit flight details, and I will say cancel flight. This look edit flight or cancel flight, edit flight, edit flight, or edit or change flight date. I think this will be much better. Change flight date. Okay, so this is what we will display. Okay, and to enable it, we will have to pass the call to there. It will ask for permission. Give the permission and come over here, save intent, and do the build again. Okay. So ask PNR will come over here. We will display and display this message, right? So once users say change a flight, we need an intent for that, right? So we will create intent change flight, which has a training phase. Oh, we can't do. Okay, no worries. So let's close, close, close. Okay, is it built? No. Uh, okay, so once users say ask PNR, so this will not come, right? Remove it. And what we will get is we will get something called change and edit, right? Uh, what is the name we are planning to give? Okay, build is done. Now we will quickly create two intents. One is change flight, which will have this one. Change flight already exists where? Oh, it's got created. Okay, and we will click save. And another one is change, and then we have cancel, cancel, can cancel flight, right? Which will be having the word as cancel flight. Okay, so this two has been created. Let's put it like this. Come on. Okay, so this will come out from there. We have to give the permission so that It cleared the cookies and change flight. Click save, cancel flight, save, and do the build. Okay, so it will, in the time it will do a build, right? What we will do is, since we are getting the name as cancel flight, right? Uh, and also we are getting something called change flight. Okay, so if it is a error and this thing will go over there, what is this? Okay, okay, this is perfectly okay. Now, if users say I want to cancel a flight, right? So we already have the phone, email address, and PNR. And what we will do, let's collect mobile number just for additional thing. Have we collected the phone number? Yeah, we have one, two, three, four. Just for the safety reason, we will do like this. Okay, so this is cancel a flight, right? So we'll put it over here. Uh, okay. To assist you with cancel booking, right? Okay, so once you enter this one, okay, and then what we will do is we will mm, display a message, right? We'll display a message saying your request for cancellation has been registered. You will receive the update in the registered mobile number within a registered mobile number and email within next 30 minutes, and then we will disconnect the call, right? Or we can create anything else menu, but for now we will just disconnect. uh, Thank you. Doesn't do that. RECEVET. No, I don't know spelling. Let it be. Receive. Thank you uh, for contacting us. Okay, so save and let's disconnect the call. Okay, so now if it is a mobile number, okay. So we have all those information now. What if user say I want to cancel? Where is the cancel? Cancel a flight. Now for the cancel a flight, we will ask for the new date, right? No, sorry, change a flight, right? Change a flight date. So we will ask for date, so which is nothing but this date, and then we will display the same crap like sure, what will be the new departure date? Sure, what will be the new departure date? Once user enter the departure date, we will collect the date, and then what? Then again, Something like this. We will collect the information and get back to you. No, not the cancellation. So let's do copy. For now, we will change this one later on, right? Uh, can't read. Your request for change date has been registered as your request for date change to at the rate attributes dot what is that? I think date only, right? Has been registered. You will receive an update in the registered mobile number. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Okay. Okay, dokie. So this is also done. This is just to do fast track. We will come back to this flows again. Okay. Not published, failed. Loop complete. Okay, sorry. So loop complete will go here. Right, and there must be one more loop. No, is it? Yes, yes, yes. Complete is going there. Complete is not going there. And complete is not going there. Okay, now it should publish. Okay, so now what we have done so far, let's test it out. Have we done save? No. And this is build. Okay, so I will say help. And what? What just happened? So if I try help, why is going over there? Did I change in wrong place? Uh, ask PNR, but why help is going there? JSON list. What's happening? So where is the help? Help is here. If I say help, it will go over here. Help intent is here. It's playing back JSON list. Then we have ask number. Then yes. Which is ending over here, I think, right? So let's do a little bit formatting. Formatting done. Flight select is there, and then ask PNR. So in the ask PNR, I have just used JSON quick JSON quick one, and this is what we have. Wait, what is happening? Clear chat help. Uh, I'm still confused. I'm pretty much confused. Let me do a debug. Okay, so in the logs, what I can see is getting ask PNR, and the PNR number is detected as help. Okay. So only solution is remove the ask PNR from here, right? And do a build. This build completed. Now let's go to the other one. What was that? Yes and no. I had right. And in this, search existing and ask PNR. Click on add. Mm, oh, it already have permission. Oh, it's the intent based permission, right? Okay, so this is build, and now what we have to do is go to uh, over here, and we are asking for, can we zoom please? Okay, asking for zoom asking for the PIN number, and now it will go to this bot rather than the other bot that we had, right? Okay, publish. Okay, did it build complete? Okay, build completed. Let's end the chat. uh okay, so I will type help, and I will do manage booking now. Please provide your email address. Okay. Okay, now provide the PNR AJ87HAY. Okay. So it's asking, thank you for sharing the details. What would you like to do? Change flight or cancel flight? So let's say if I select the cancel flight. Oh, if I select the cancel flight. Oh, crap. What happened is we have not included, once user select cancel flight and change flight over here. Right, click build, build, let it build. Okay, so the build is completed. Now what we will do is try to test again and see if that improves or resolve the issue that we have faced of change and cancel one not getting recognized. What are we doing? Manage booking. Okay, so please provide your email. I will provide, and oh, it has taken YUH667G, let's say. And let's do cancel flight. Still not change flight. Oh, what just happened? Okay, so okay, so this one is not working. Why? So let's go back over here. I will say yes and no. Test about, and I will give input. Okay, so it will just and I will say change flight. Oh, sorry, cancel flight. I was doing cancel flight, right? Or, yeah, cancel flight. I will do cancel flight. Oh, it is not working. So I say cancel flight. It will go to reach RTM. Okay, so cancel flight is been recognized by whom? Let me pause. Okay, as you can see, ask PNR is also detecting as cancel flight. Why? I'm just a little bit confused. Cancel flight is coming as this. Cancel flight. Let's change the wording like cancel the flight, cancel, or something like cancel flight booking. I think that will solve the problem. Deploy, cancel flight booking. Click save and build. So clear chat history. Okay, so build is done. Now it should work, I think. So this is the last attempt we are giving. If it doesn't work, we will release a new video on how to resolve the cancel flight problem. Okay, so help and manage booking. In the manage booking, we are asking for email address, which I can give like anything. I can give you 189HZ. Okay. I shall get client self flight booking. Okay. Now it works. So it asks for mobile number. I provide the mobile number. What is going on? Okay, so it's again going to the this one. Uh, I am damn sure this is again going back to the ask PNR. Hmm. So we have to put ask PNR since it's alphanumeric, right? To something different. Where is yes no see? Ask PNR phone number detected. And PNR was that okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, got it. So what we will do is we will put this ask mobile number right to a different intent, different PNR or mobile number. Uh, yeah, ask mobile number to different something completely different bot, which will not have anything over here with the PNR or alphanumeric conflict. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this was the longest video I think I have recorded. It's 37 minutes. Hopefully you like the video and you find it useful. Let's not less. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.